Hello guys, if you want to save your data to the cloud, have low space in your computer and you want to save and secure your images, your documents safe and secure, there is a way we can do it. We can save it to the Google Cloud and we are getting 15 GB of data. So let's get started. So open any of the browser which you use and open google.com. Once the google.com is open, make sure you are logged in, you are signed in, and then we just need to click here on this Google app icon and we are looking for Drive. So the moment I'll click on Drive, I'll see this window where at the left hand side I have my drives, computers, share with me. So I'll tell you the easiest way to upload the data, share and download. Just need to click on this square icon. Once you minimize your window, you just have to drag and drop like this. So I have this notes folder and it will start uploading the data to my drive, and then I can maximize it. And if you see, I have just selected, I can create a link if I want to share with some people. And if you want to delete the data, you can simply select that file and click on delete. Alright, so 15 gigabytes, absolutely free. I'm sure you will love it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestion, and if you have any kind of issues, I'll surely help. I'll see you in the next video, and please hit the like button and subscribe button.